closely related to my search terms checkbox. Then click Search once more. Now we can see a list of phrases related to your search terms that individuals are searching for, with varying amounts of competition and monthly traffic. Click on the competition heading twice to sort in order of lowest competition. Much better. Now we're seeing lists of key phrases that have very low competition. You may click on the phrase itself to see a list of sites related to that search term. Naturally, if you title your page Self-Help Online or some such phrase containing self-help, many of the individuals who find your page won't want to purchase your products. They'll simply be looking for info on self-help. This is the challenge of SEO. Find key phrases that properly describe the subject of your page, that have moderately low competition from other websites, and that plenty of individuals are searching for monthly. Clearly, assorted techniques are possible here, minding that it takes time to get traffic to a site. For example, if you are selling self-help books, you could regularly write 250 to 300 word articles on self-help related subjects, with the title of your articles based on great key phrases. Make certain that each article has a strong chance of really providing individuals with the data or services that they're looking for. If the titles of your pages are irrelevant to what individuals really want, individuals will simply leave your site right away and make a mental note not to visit it again. Neither will anybody link to your site, and you require inbound links to bump you up in Google's search results. The key phrases you pick out need to be in the title of your article. It's likewise good to use them in headings or in bold elsewhere in your article. But don't go overboard, or your article will look weird and read like a scam page, and individuals will avoid it, as will Google. Keep your articles, titles, headings, and content centered on good key phrases with relevant content, and in time, you'll be able to get the traffic you require.